Come on, baby. Let's start our class with rhymes. Five little birds went flying one day over the hills and far away. Mother bird said, tweet, tweet, tweet. Four little birds came flying back. Four little birds went flying one day over the hills and far away. Mother bird said, tweet, tweet, tweet. Three little birds came flying back. Today, our topic is, can you guess? Birds. All birds, they have two legs, two wings, one beak or bill. They have feathers and they lay eggs. Our first bird is crow. They are found in all over the world. They are shiny black in color. They are well known for their loud caw sound. Magpie robin. It is a national bird of Bangladesh because of its sweet and melodious voice. It is black and white in color with its long tail. It eats earthworms, insects and fruits also. Magpie robin. Cuckoo. It is black in color. It is well known to the people of Bangladesh for its melodious call during the spring season. Cuckoo. Sparrows. Sparrow is a small bird with black, brown and white feathers. They eat seeds, insects, food crumbs, berries. They live very close to us. Sparrow. Pigeons. Pigeons can be different in color, but wild pigeons are only grey color. Some of us like to keep pigeons in our home. Pigeon. Parrot. We can keep parrot as a pet. If we can train them, they can talk and perform well. Parrot. Owl. Owls are active at night. That's why they are called nocturnal birds. They eat insects and frogs. They have large eyes and flat face. The interesting part about owl, that is, they can rotate their neck around 270 degrees. Owl. Myna. We can keep myna as a pet. It can imitate our voice very nicely. It eats insects, berries, dal, rice, leafy vegetables. Myna. Peacock. Peacock is a male of a peafowl and it is a very beautiful bird. It is the largest bird that can fly. Its tail is called a train and it is a national bird of India. Eagle. An eagle can fly very high up in the sky. Eagle's babies are called eaglets. They have very good eyesight. They can see well from very far. Eagle. Woodpecker. Woodpecker has very strong beak. They can find insects inside trees. This is a kingfisher. It is usually orange and blue in color. It lives by eating fish. Kingfisher. Vultures. Vultures are scavengers, which means they eat dead bodies or dead animals. They have excellent sight and smell sense, which help them to find dead animals from far away. Vultures. Crane. Cranes are tall birds with long legs, large wings, and long beaks. They eat frogs, insects, and fish. Crane. Hummingbird. It is the smallest bird in the world. It can fly upside down and backwards also. It eats nectar from the flowers. Hummingbirds. Penguin. Penguin is a flightless bird. That means it cannot fly. It has flippers to swim in the water. Penguins eat fish. Penguin. Ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. It has two long legs which help it to run very fast. Its egg is the largest of all eggs. Ostrich. Babies, I hope you enjoyed the class. So, I will be coming again next class with another new topic. So till then, all of you stay safe. Bye-bye.